The eighth section of lesson 36-1 covers questions 17 and 18. On the previous slide, you saw the paragraph. Only sampling methods that incorporate random chance into the sample selection method can hope to avoid sampling errors. Math terms where measurement error occurs when incorrect or misleading data are collected that can be ascribed to the interviewer, the respondent, the survey instrument, or the method used for recording the data. You're going to be working on questions 17 and 18 with your table mates. Question 17 says, Zach obtains a list of the names of every student in the school. Explain how Zach could use the list to randomly select a sample of 40 students. Number 18. Error occurs. Error can also occur when the method for obtaining a response is flawed. Suppose that Zach has properly selected a random sample of 40 students. Determine why each method produced measurement error. A. Zach gives each student a questionnaire. One question states, It's very important for young people to have time to socialize with each other, and today's method of communication seemed to be text messaging. How many minutes do you typically spend text messaging with friends on a school night? And then part B says, Zach verbally surveys 40 students. Zach feels that the students' responses are too low, so he reminds them that he's trying to convince his parents that 60 minutes per night is not too much time spent text messaging. So, this shouldn't take you long, but I want you to work on questions 17 and 18 with your table mates. I'm going to give you 4 minutes, so go ahead, pause your video, and work through questions 17 and 18. The answers to questions 17 and 18 have now been provided. The one I want to highlight is question number 17. I listed that one of the ways that he could randomly select from these 1,250 students is he could put the names of each student on a piece of paper, place them in a box, and then randomly draw out 40 slips and just give the survey to those 40 students. Let's talk about why these are errors in number 18. With him specifically stating it's very important for young people to have time to socialize with each other, and today's method of communication seems to be text messaging, that helps him influence the student that's answering the question to possibly provide inaccurate data and give a measurement error. With B, it's Zach's reminder to the students about how he feels like he's trying to convince his parents that 60 minutes per night is not too much time. So he's trying to influence the data to go to a certain direction so they might give false data in support of Zach's intended results. On to your debriefing question.